Welcome to AmpleBlaze's video tutorial. This video tutorial we're going to talk about a new feature that Facebook has created. I would say it's going on for a month now, but basically any groups that you're part of, pages that you're part of, basically they create a chat for those and then you're automatically added to those chats for some weird reason. Just wanted to show you how you can basically get yourself out of those chats and stop and mute those chats, and so you don't get binged all the time with new chat messages. So what you do is, here's one example, and what you would do, you can go and mute that chat if you wanted to, and then it'll give you an option for 15 minutes, an hour, 8 hours, 24, until I turn it back on. You can do that. So you're part of that chat, but you don't want to get disturbed all the time that it will bing you every single time that there's a new message. So I basically muted myself on this chat. But if you're that kind of person that you don't want to be part of that chat, you just want to leave the chat, what you can do is you can go and hover across the group chat and go to the three dots, and you can leave chat, and then click leave chat, and then you're not part of that chat anymore. And that's how you do that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.